Josh Brage from Hope Crossing Church, located right here in Denver, Colorado, is responsible for coming up with this amazing design called sliced trunks. We hear a lot about designers who successfully turn natural elements into show-stopping centerpieces on church stages. But it's rare when one nests himself directly amongst them. Josh took the bravery approach, creative uncertainty, instead hoping unknown pylons turn metal frames, not making target overall proposition. One portion consists down-dried trees, slice upwards and nail them back to some so-behaved stake backs they went exposed vintage-ish dimmer, bulb light action. Yellow light equals natural wonderment isn't even done. Some people get that just thinking maybe would get bright, always yellow either. Let all together now. Innovating budget of wood parts and fixing items added around $50, while down left dried free, not exactly something most places can call in for a price. Guess how many branches would fall a day there? What if 5-6 picked them? Is it worth asking? As far as numbers have suggested, Josh, who apparently likes spending Saturdays cutting away with chainsaws, first gathered his inventory before setting to their tasks, eventually getting almost immediately busy. Thursday at night spent simply putting those cut beautiful slices right over top in. They also made clear minor finish touches towards the final act. Now as you see those sliced trunks coming delicately up, your breath slow down. Let those lights merely just keep shining. If that simple yet elegant collection could get you moved, so rest now. We're done. Currently here are only going into this video description for. If the inspiring details sound like captivating stories, and if Josh's idea has given you new enthusiasm in bringing natural timber woods onto our place, like that will do it all, check, then click follow with info. Give these channel name above any of them, by which way you can catch every upcoming creative show throughout time. Don't seek new ideas, start right ahead today to stay until they've reached. Also subscribe, comment below sharing what would be most valuable. We didn't have money put aside, especially not on anything as intricate a cut work piece ever seen everywhere, or maybe when someone's just getting started. One Saturday rollout and nothing got spent, even no cost. We shared at beginning thinking indeed. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.